On the iPhone, can you hear me? And she's trying to connect to audio. They're asking for an SOS on Eris Pugh in room 4. Okay. And if Eris Pugh has a valid license, then he'll be ready to go. So just let me know when you know. All right, ma'am, on the iPhone, can you hear me? Looks like we're completely frozen at this point with her.
Yes.
There we go. What's your name?
I can.
Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stop your video and see if that helps. You've got a bad signal. Give me just a minute. Looks like your video has already stopped itself. All right. Can you hear me?
Yes. Can you hear me?
I can now. Okay. Tell me your name, please.
Raquel Triplet.
Raquel. Okay. Raquel Triplet. Thank you. So we just down. All right, Ms. Triplet, you're going to go into a breakout room so that you can meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. There is a wait today. It's Amnesty Week, so our dockets are pretty heavy. They're getting to you. Please don't use the help button when you're in the breakout room. It just makes me stop court out here and everything will take longer. They are getting to you. If you know that you need to show them things like registration, insurance, or if you got something fixed and you have proof of that, go ahead and use this time to gather those items now, please. You're going to see an invitation to breakout room. You're going to 26. Please hit join. Thank you. Attorney Ragland.
Your Honor, my client is willing to accept the plea to the blockading, and he will need time to pay that fine. He also advised him of his rights: right to a trial, right to trial by jury, right to face
his accusers. Do me a favor. Can you go in? Can you go into room 17 and tell him to come out?
I just left.
There he is. Okay, I got it. I did too. Okay, there we go.
All right.
So let's go to Madam Clerk. I'm going to, and then Mr. Pugh, or Eris Pugh, I'll be with you in just a moment on Cornelius Triplet. I have taken number P1851808, City versus Cornelius Triplet. I've got one count of no insurance misdemeanor and one count of failure to signal. Counsel, appearance, please.
Samuel A. Ragnan, P23-157, on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Triplet. Mr. Triplet, would you say your name, please?
Cornelius Earl Triplet.
Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Triplet. Counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Your Honor, the defendant is willing to accept the assistant prosecutor's offer of dismissing both of the tickets that are against him and adding blockading, which is a civil infraction, which in fact has no points on your record and does not affect your insurance. Is that correct, Mr. Triplet?
Yes, that's correct.
All right, thank you. All right, Mr. Triplet, that's about as good as an offer gets in traffic court. All right, so we've got the date of January 14th, 2026 in the area of South Bassett and Miami Street. Mr. Triplet, raise your right hand, swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. All right. This is a civil infraction, so no right to trial on the civil infraction, but you would have had the right to a formal hearing, but you are admitting to the offense of blockading traffic. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. The fine is $175. I'm giving you 60 days to do one of two things, Mr. Triplet. If you can get it paid off in full within the 60 days, that's great. That's fine. If you cannot, you can go see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse and ask them for a payment plan. As long as you give them the down payment for the payment plan within the next 60 days, your deal will stay intact. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Have a wonderful day. Sometimes I do advise people go see them sooner rather than later, so you know how much that down payment they're going to want is. Okay?
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you very much, Attorney Ragnan. You said you had another client, Penn, who I don't believe has checked in yet.
Trenton Matthew Penn. I'm going to call him because I told him to log in.
All right, thank you. Mr. Triplet, have a wonderful day.
Okay, thank you.
Good luck, Mr. Triplet.
All right. Eris Pugh, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good, thank you. Calling ticket number P1854171, City versus Eris Pugh. Ms. Pugh, just state your name for the record, please.
Eris Pugh.
Thank you. Defense counsel has made a notation that they have reviewed your valid insurance and registration documents. They've asked us to dismiss your case as long as the Secretary of State verified the validity of your license, which they have. I am happy to grant the motion to dismiss. Good job getting all these things together. I know that's not easy. Tickets are dismissed. Have a great day.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
You as well.
Candace Phillips, good morning.
Morning.
Thank you. Let me get Mr. Patton into a breakout room. Oh, thank you. What's he got going on? Okay, thank you. I'll just keep him out here. Mr. Patton, I'll be right with you. Candace Phillips. I have ticket number P1577571 and P1008022. These are both City versus Candace Phillips. Please state your name for the record.
Candace Phillips.
Thank you. You are charged with city parks closed and supplying false information to a police officer. My understanding is that you're going to be pleading guilty to both of those, with your other two matters being dismissed. Let me just take a look at the docket sheet. Madam Clerk, is she on the docket sheet for these two, or can you tell me the status? On both of these, city park closed and the supplying false information, that's a 3-month delayed sentence, meaning as long as you pay the fines, don't pick up any other tickets for the 3 months that are like this. We'll just pull it up and dismiss it at the end of the 3 months. If, however, you get another ticket or you don't get it paid off in the 3 months, then you have to come back and see me again, and we'll have to get you back on track. Okay?
I think I paid them. I paid them already.
She posted a bond.
Okay. Well, how much bond did she post?
I'm not sure, but on one of those tickets, I saw like $200.
Okay, so you may not have much more to pay. All right. If anything. Okay. So at any rate, these are going to be 3-month delayed sentences. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
It's the truth. Oh, I court from is everything I paid today.
That's good enough. Thank you. Enough for me. All right. Is it true that on April 23rd of 2024 in the area of East Warren and Radnor that you were in a city park after posted closing hours?
Yes.
Thank you. Is it also true that at that time you supplied false information to a police officer attempting to perform an investigation?
Yes.
I'm sorry, one more time.
Yes.
Thank you. All right. So here's what we're going to do. On each of these, you've got a 3-month delay. Now, I was told you did post a bond, so they can credit the bond to your cases. Okay, you can ask them to do that. The other 2 tickets that were on the docket for today are dismissed pursuant to your plea. The fine on the first ticket, the city parks closed, is $190. The fine on this applying false information, I can reduce to $100, so $290 altogether. I'm told that it may be covered by the bonds. You got to speak to the cashiers about that on the first floor if you want them to credit the money. Okay. And then just sounds like you might not owe much more money at all. But you've got 3 months to get it paid. If you don't finish getting it paid in the 3 months, or if you pick up a similar ticket, then you have to come back and see me on June 23rd at 8:30 in the morning. Okay.
Okay. But that's only if I don't pay it off, or if I get it. Other than that, I
Another
don't have
ticket.
to pay that.
Nope, other than that, we'll just pull it up on that date and dismiss it and pull it off your record, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a wonderful day. Thank you. All right, Attorney Ragnan?
Yeah, and I've not been able to reach Mr. Penn. I'm not sure if he's logged in yet or not. I have spoken to him as recently as yesterday. But I see there's no offer for this. It says no deal. Is that what ND means? So if that's the case, then I'm going to ask the court to.
Really, normally, I've not seen that notation. Let's see, what page is he on?
He's on 4, I believe.
Okay.
Penn. 3
Penn,
tickets.
all right. What does this say? Oh, this is the DoorDash case, or he's
It
a
is.
DoorDash driver. Okay.
Does that make a
Blocking
difference?
traffic.
He left his car
Littering.
running to deliver DoorDash and came out and he got a ticket. Not supposed to do, apparently.
I don't know what that I don't know what that means. But what I can tell you is, as I've said, it doesn't get better than blockading traffic.
Is that what it says?
Well, he's already getting a blockading. So that's what he's charged with on that one. Then he's got his loudspeaker and his littering. So you're right. You do need to see Ms. Horn about this one or speak to her about this one, about what deal she's offering. I don't read that to say no deal. I don't know.
All right. Well, I will try to reach her.
Yeah, you can check back in if you need to go take care of something else. It's fine.
All right. I'm going to go to Judge Adams for a minite.
Okay.
Thank you very
for
much,
coming.
Your Honor.
Thank you
Appreciate
for coming
it.
early. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
I appreciate you.
All right. Thanks. All right, let's go to Mr. Patton. I've got ticket number P1779480, City versus Malik Patton. Mr. Patton, please unmute. State your name.
Malik Patton.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
All right, so it looks like you have a delayed sentence, and we're doing a review today. Looks like you still owe $100. So when are you planning to get that last $100 paid?
Within the next week or so.
Okay. What I'll do is I'll give you 30 days. So I'll bring you back April 24th. Okay.
Okay.
And just let's make sure that it's paid when you come back. That way we can keep your delayed sentence on track. And I always say, these are offers from the prosecution, so I can't just extend them forever, okay, without them coming back in and weighing in. So let's try to get it paid. We'll adjourn to April 24th for payment. Okay, we'll see you back on April 24th, 8:30 in the morning.
Great, thank you.
You are welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, we have Demario Taylor. Good morning, Mr. Taylor.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning. Looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display, 2 counts of improper plates, 1 count of illegal dumping with a 12-month delayed sentence on that one. Everything else would be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Thank you. For the record, this is P1633082 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Demario Taylor. Mr. Taylor, please state your name for the record.
Demario Deshaun Taylor.
Thank you. As the court just stated, 1 count of failure to display, 2 counts of improper plates, and a 12-month delayed sentence on an illegal dumping with all other matters being dismissed. This is consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
Do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand and swear affirm that everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth.
Yes.
All right, thank you. You can put your hand down. Sir, is it true that on August 8th of 2022 in the area of Outer Drive and Strasburg Street that you improperly disposed of items on property that did not belong to you?
Yes.
Thank you. All right, that one is your 12-month delayed sentence. All right. Give me just a minute. There we go. Is it also true, sir, that on May 27th of 2021, in the area of King Richard and Everett Street in the city of Detroit, you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Is it also true that the vehicle did not have proper plates at the time due to lack of registration?
Yes.
Is it also true that the vehicle did not have proper plates at that time due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
Thank you. On your failure to display, the fine is $190. On the improper plate, each of those is $100 since they're on the same ticket. So $390 total on that ticket. Then on your dumping ticket, that's $190. On the dumping ticket, you have a 12-month delayed sentence. That means you have 12 months to get that paid. You also cannot pick up any other dumping tickets during the time you are on your delayed sentence. Otherwise, you will void that offer. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so that one is $190 within 12 months. The other one is $390. What I'm going to do on this other one that's the $390 is I'm going to give you 60 days to do one of two things. Pay the $390 off in full, or see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse, give them a down payment to start a longer term payment plan if you need one. As long as you do one of those two things, your deal will remain intact. Okay?
Yes.
All right. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. Officer Whaley, which case are you here on, please? Phone number ending in 1230. What is your name, please?
It's Pruitt.
Sorry, Madam Clerk, here you go. I'm sorry, say that one more time.
Olivia Pruitt.
Are you understanding?
I think he's saying the best. Pruitt.
Okay, I thought I heard Pruitt. Okay, we're both
Yes,
hearing
Levance.
Pruitt. Was the first name Levance?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. All right, Mr. Pruitt, have you spoken with an attorney at all outside of court?
No, ma'am. I just joined.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and get you into a breakout room so that you can meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. There is a wait. Please don't leave the breakout room just because you're tired of waiting. We're conducting court. There's going to be a little bit of a wait. Room 27. All right, Ms. Horn, do you need me?
I don't. Sorry, Your Honor. No, I don't. I didn't see anywhere to go. I know Mr. Pruitt, who just checked in, he has 46. I'm not sure if we're gonna might be best to set it for trial to see if officers show up.
Okay, well, I'll let him decide that with defense counsel.
Okay.
Mr. Ragden was looking for you on the PIN matter, PENN. We weren't confused by the notations on the sheet. So if you can just, he'll be reaching out to you. He had to go to another courtroom.
Okay, thank you, Judge. And I'm gonna just check into Perkins. Ragnan
Okay.
might be in Perkins too, so.
Yeah, I think, I
Okay.
don't think that's, but he'll look for you at some point.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
This morning, thank you. All
Morning, Ms.
right,
Pillow.
Mr. Patterson, and then I will have Ms. Titus, or Mr. Titus, I'm so sorry. All right, Gregory Patterson, please unmute. Thank you. Calling ticket number hello, good morning. Calling ticket number P15202217, City versus Gregory Patterson, and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Gregory Patterson. Mr. Patterson, please state your name for the record.
Gregory B.R.E. Patterson.
Thank you, Mr. Patterson. It looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to one count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, one count of improper plates. Your other matters would be dismissed pursuant to that plea. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Is it true, sir, that on November 19th of 2023 in the area of Harper and Cadieux, that you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle, even if that unlicensed driver was yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Is it also true that you did not have proper plates on the vehicle at that time due to a lack of insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. On your allowing, that fine is 190. On the improper plate, that one is 100.
Okay.
I'm giving you 60 days to do one of two things. You may pay them in full or come see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse for a payment plan. They're just going to want a down payment. As long as you give them that down payment within the 60 days, your deal here will remain intact. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Daishan Titus, good morning. Please unmute. Daishan Titus, good morning. Please unmute.
Hello.
How are you today?
Doing fine.
Great. Calling ticket number P1840652 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Daishan Martez Titus. Sir, please state your name for the record.
Deshaun Martez Titus.
Thank you. Looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to 2 counts of improper plates, 1 count of failure to display. Everything else would be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Titus, let's see. You have some tickets that went into default from 2025. And those tickets are for passing on the right, violation of basic speed law, driving in an unsafe manner, and no proof of insurance. I need to understand whether or not those are being brought out of default. So who did you speak with? Did you speak with a male attorney or a female attorney?
A female attorney.
Okay, let me bring Attorney Murphy out. Because these are putting points on your record and they're still new enough that I can do something about it. So let's see if I can find Attorney Murphy and see if these were negotiated as part of your plea. Where'd she go? Oh, she's in the breakout. She's in the waiting room.
Your Honor, if you, on the docket, it does look like.
Oh, okay,
I mean,
then
on
it's in
the,
there.
offer.
It's on the docket sheet. Perfect. And they're dismissed pursuant to the plea?
Yeah, because they were.
Great.
scheduled for the
Thank you.
docket.
All right, very good, Mr. Titus. Clerk has informed me that those matters were motioned out of default. They are on the docket today, and they are also being dismissed pursuant to your plea. So that's very good. Attorney Murphy, sorry, I just saw that you were in the waiting room. You are now co-host again. Okay. So please raise your right hand, Mr. Titus. Swear affirm that everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. All right. And you did tell me nobody promised you anything that I don't know about today to get you to plead guilty, correct?
Yes.
And was that a yes?
Yes.
All right. Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel advised you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
Do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Is it true, sir, that on December 9th of 2025 in the area of East 7 Mile and Riopelle, that you did not have proper plates on your vehicle due to outdated registration?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it also true that you were unable to display a valid license to the officer when he or she requested it from you?
Yes, ma'am.
And is it also true that You did not have proper plates on the vehicle at that time due to a lack of insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, your plea is accepted. Your fines are as follows. On the improper plate, that first one, that's going to be 190. Since the other ones are on the same ticket, I can reduce those to 100 each. So 190, 100, and 100. Giving you a total of 390. I'm going to give you 60 days to do one of two things. You may pay the fines off in full within the 60 days, or you may see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse for a longer term payment plan, but they're going to want a down payment from you. As long as you give them that down payment within the next 60 days, your deal remains intact. Okay.
Well,
Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
cool.
Bye-bye. All right. I have D Hall. I need a full name, please. I need you to unmute. I need a full name.
Hi, Your Honor. I'm Officer Hall, Detroit Police Department.
All right. You're going to Officer Hall. Thank you. And do you know which case you're here on?
It should be a Miss Keisha Janae Palmer.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Spell her first name, your officer?
It is Keasha.
Scheduled for trial March 26th at 9:30 tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow. Listen, I'm sorry. I can't keep track of my day.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
I'm trying to get Tanasia Thurman to come
I'm
out.
trying to get her out too.
Okay, we have to communicate because we may be canceling each other out. Remember we were doing that before?
Yeah.
We didn't realize how long it.
Well, I mean, it's been a minute since I
Okay.
tried. But her mic is right. I paid attention. Didn't turn right.
I need her to come out. Move him to 14. Good morning, Mr. Pride.
Good morning, ma'am.
All right, we're going to call your matters. I've got, I need the Pride. Sorry.
I need a second to go through his.
Okay, just a moment, Mr. Pride. The clerk is working on your file.
Yes, ma'am.
Are on the docket.
Ms. Thurman, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Okay. All right, I've got ticket number P153089 City versus and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus, is it Tangia?
Tanasia.
Thurman? Tanasia, thank you. Tanasia Thurman. Thank you. All right, Ms. Thurman, please state your full name for the record.
Yes, I'm Tanasia Sis Thurman.
Okay, and Ms. Thurman, it looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to one count of the reduced charge of failure to display a valid license, and then limited access 1 to 5 over, which is a 0-point ticket. Everything else would be dismissed. Is all of that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. You can put your hand down. Is it true, ma'am, that on January 15th of 2024 in the area of Weyburn and Whittier, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer when they requested it?
Yes.
Thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
And then for the record, as to the 1 to 5 over limited access, you have a driving on the wrong way that went into default. We're going to remove the default from that ticket. They've made a motion to take that off because that would have carried points, and replace it with 1 to 5 over limited access. So I'm going to go ahead and do that at this time. If you are admitting to the 1 to 5 over, it simply involves you admitting that you were going at least 1 to 5 miles per hour over the posted speed limit. Are you making that admission at this time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. All right. So on your failure to display, that fine is $190. And then on your 1 to 5 over limited access, that fine is $125. On both of these, I'm giving you 60 days to do one of two things. You may pay the fines off in full within the 60 days, or you may go see the cashiers on the first floor of this courthouse for a longer term payment plan if you require one. They are going to want a down payment if you do that. And as long as you give them the down payment within the next 60 days, this deal will remain intact. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Have a great day, Ms. Thurman.
You too. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Right. We ready on Mr. Pride now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Pride, calling ticket number P11-42250 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Vernon Pride. Mr. Pride, good morning again. Please state your name for the record.
Good morning, Vernon Anthony Pry, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Pride. It appears you're going to be pleading guilty to 3 counts of improper plates, 1 count of failure to display. Everything else would be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth.
I do.
Thank you. You can put your hand down, sir. Sir, is it true that on June 4th of 2025 in the area of Van Dyke and Elgin Street, you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Sir, is it also true that on December 9th of 2020 in the area of Livernois and West Verner that you did not have proper plates on your vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it also true that the plates were improper due to a lack of registration?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it also true that the plates were improper due to a lack of insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Your fines are as follows. On your failure to display a valid license, that one is going to be $190. On the other ticket where you have the improper plates, the first one is $190. I can reduce the other two to $100 a piece since they're on the same ticket.
Accept.
Okay, on both of these, I am going to give you 60 days to do one of two things. Within the 60 days, you may pay these off in full, or you may see the cashiers on the first floor of this courthouse. Ask them for a longer term payment plan if you need one. They are going to want a down payment to start your payment plan. And as long as you give them the down payment within the next 60 days, your deal will remain in place. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Have a wonderful day, Mr. Pride.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
Bye-bye, too. All right, let's see what else we got going on. What's going on? Oh, she's Anisha Pickens. This is
Presley's file now, but okay, so what is he? This is attorney?
Oh, good morning. How are you?
Good morning.
Yes, I do. I recognize this attorney. How you doing this morning? Which case you here on?
It's not up for today. It's Mr. James Tucker was up on the 18th.
Okay.
He was arrested by DPD and he's in Wayne County Jail since the 17th.
Okay.
And so he's got 3 cases that he missed. And I'm representing him on the felony. I'm just letting you know that he's in warrant status. And so I just got him a PR bond. I was hoping we could set aside the warrant, get a new date so that doesn't hold him up for his release.
Yeah. Can you handle that, Madam Clerk?
Yeah, I need his middle name.
I got him right here. Edmund, here's the 3 register of actions for the 3 case numbers. I can leave these with you.
No, I didn't find it. I just need the middle name.
No problem.
So, how far out are you? You're not representing.
I'm not representing him on that one.
You just.
So
Okay.
he's got his preliminary exam set for April 13th.
Just want to be able to get out on the felonies.
Yeah, that's gonna be in person.
All right.
And so if you sometime on the 13th or after.
Well, he's getting out. You just got him a PR bond, so he's coming out now, right?
Yeah, he should be coming out once they. put the
We'll just set it for a couple weeks. We don't need,
30 days?
just give him 2 weeks.
2 weeks? Okay. All right.
Yeah, because we still need to keep our stuff on track time wise.
All set? Thank you very, very much.
You are very welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you, Madam Clerk.
Thank you. I'm sorry. I couldn't hear.
I want to distract.
No. No distraction.
John,
Like, I don't know.
Hello.
Like on Friday.
If I can get him out here. Oh, that's right. I said I was going to bring the laptop in so I could voice broadcast because I can't do that. I think Jeremy Pippin was just asking for help. Let's see what he has. I'm just waiting for Mr. Presley to come out. Jeremy Pippin has insurance plates, insurance, and license. Can you run an SOS on Jeremy Pippin when you have a moment, Madam Clerk, in room 22?
Recorded, so yes, she was.
Guys, good morning.
Yes, she was.
Okay.
Good morning. What's your name, please?
Raquel Triplet, I was disconnected from the break room, so I had to connect back in.
Know which room you were in?
26.
Thank you. I'll send you back there.
Right there, yeah.
Please join
Good
room
morning.
26, Ms. Triplet, quickly before the invitation disappears. Thank you. Oh, come on, Mr. Presley. Move him back to 18 to go get Mr. Presley. Please get Mr. Presley and tell him to come on. All right, what did you find out about Pippin? Pippin, he's valid. Okay, perfect. Thank you.
He's here on like arraignment on the bench warrant, so he has to.
On Jeremy Pippin,
I don't know what it's scheduled.
he's got all paper scheduled with us today, registration, insurance, license. I swear if this is miss.
Yeah, so he's scheduled for arraignment on the bench
Okay.
warrant. So those are-
Who's on the iPhone, please?
Deontay Presley, I was just in one of the rooms and it just kicked me out.
Were you answering the phone or using your phone for something else?
No, actually the attorney had just came back and he was saying hello. I was trying to
Well, here's the problem. You had an offer next to your name, and now you don't because you left. There we go. I can see it. Plea to 2 counts of failure to display a valid license, 2 counts of improper plates, everything else being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding, Mr. Presley?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, we'll get your case going. Do you see me? Are you on another device still in the breakout room?
No, it's just this device. I had, like I said, I was in the breakout room and he had came back and it just kicked me out.
Okay, all right, no problem. Just a technical thing. All right, I have ticket number X4477893 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Deontay Presley. Sir, please state your name for the record.
Deontay Presley.
Thank you. Sir, what's your middle name?
James Marquise. I have 2.
Okay, these are all yours. Yep. Okay, thank you. Mr. Marquise, as we are, Mr. Presley, as we just discussed, the offer is 2 counts of failure to display, 2 counts of improper plates, with everything else that you're here for today being dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. All right. Is it true, sir, that on August 22nd of 2023 in the area of Livernois and Linden, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. Is it also true that the plates on the vehicle were improper at that time due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
And is it also true that the plates were improper due to a lack of current registration?
Yes, correct.
Thank you. Then is it true that, let's see if I can get a more recent one. All right. Is it true that on March 27th of 2024 in the area of Chandler Park and Outer Drive, you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. All right, your fines are as follows. On that last one we just did, the failure to display, that fine is $190. Then on your other ticket where we have a failure to display and 2 improper plates, the failure to display is going to be $190. And then I can reduce each of the improper plates to $100 each since they're on the same ticket.
Okay.
Okay, so you've got $390 plus $190. I'm going to give you 90 days to do one of 2 things. And I'm giving you 90 days because one of the alternatives is a payment plan. So
Okay.
within the 90 days, you can get it paid in full, or if you cannot get it paid off in full, what you can do is come see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse, ask them for a longer term payment plan if you need one, and they will ask you for a down payment to begin that payment plan. As long as you give them the down payment within the 90 days, your deal will remain intact. Okay.
Okay.
However, you must do one of those two things within the 90 days. And you want to know how much of a down payment those cashiers are going to want from you to start your payment sooner rather than later. Okay. Because you might have other stuff in the system that's closed that I don't know about, things like that. And so, you know, you want to know exactly how much they're going to ask for you to put down within the 90 days to start your payment plan. If you're going to start trying to make payments, don't try to do that today. Please give us until at least tomorrow, preferably just give us a couple days.
Okay.
All right. Have a great day.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you. All right. Good job getting all this taken care of.
Thank you.
All right. Okay. What do we have here? Yeah, let's see.
She was there for yesterday.
Okay. Thank you. Ms. Ticey, good morning.
Good morning. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Give me just a minute.
Okay.
Limited change from disregard traffic control device. Her second one was driver's license never required. They had dismissed her plea, but her license is valid.
Okay, thank you. All right. Ms. Ticey, there is a long wait this morning. You were due to be here yesterday. City is offering to dismiss the misdemeanor charge against you with respect to your license. We've also verified that it is valid now. You then had another ticket which would carry points on your license. Sorry. Thank you. All right. You then had another ticket which would put points on your license, and that one is for disregarding traffic control device. So what they have said is that they are willing to reduce that one to what's called 1 to 5 over limited access, which is a 0-point ticket. If you want to admit to the 0-point ticket, you don't have to wait to speak with the attorney because it is just a civil infraction. But if you would like to go into a breakout room to speak with an attorney, I can place you there. Just know that there will be a wait.
No, I'll just take the charge.
All right. So this is ticket number SP 183-20621. For the record, pursuant to the plea, the ticket number SP 183-20701 is being dismissed pursuant to the plea, but also for compliance as the license is valid.
Okay.
All right. And then let's see. All right. So I'll just have you raise your right hand, please. Ms. Ticey, swear or affirm everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth.
Everything is the truth.
Thank you. State your name for the record one more time, please.
Nigelia Ticey.
Thank you. The allegation is that on November 18th of 2025, you, in the area of southbound French Road and Canfield, that you disregarded a traffic control device. You are admitting to the reduced charge of 1 to 5 over limited access, a 0-point offense. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thank you. That fine is $125. Okay.
Okay.
I'm giving you 60 days to get it paid. If you can't pay it within the 60 days, see the cashiers on the first floor. They can give you a longer term payment plan. And as long as you give them the down payment for the payment plan within the 60 days, this deal remains in place.
Okay.
Okay. Careful in the future about managing your court dates. You were supposed to be here yesterday.
I got the paper saying Tuesday the 24th.
Yeah, that's okay. But today's the 25th.
Oh, shoot. I'm so sorry.
That's okay. Luckily, we were able to pull it up and deal with it pretty easily, but I don't want you to end up with warrants in the future. So just watch your dates, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you, Madam Clerk. They are asking for an SOS on room 13, Samaria Pickens. Her last name is hyphenated. I remember that. The T is for the first part of her last name.
They have it on the docket under THO and TOM, so she's in like two different spots at 8:35.
Oh, okay.
But yeah,
All right, looks like we're going to be ready on Shantae Phillips. Thank you, Madam Clerk. And also Jeremy Pippin, I guess.
he's the one.
Yeah, I'll wait on his. I renamed the room, but I want to make sure that they have seen it. All right. Shantae Phillips, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm great. How are you this morning?
I'm good. Thank you.
Very good. Calling ticket number P1337710 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Shantae Phillips. Ms. Phillips, please state your name for the record.
Shantae Phillips.
Thank you. I understand there's going to be a plea to 2 counts of failure to display a valid license, 2 counts of improper plates. Everything else would be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand and swear affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right. Is it true, ma'am, that on April 20th of 2022 in the area of West McNichols and Mark Twain, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Is it also true, ma'am, that on May 2nd of 2022 in the area of Puritan and Prairie, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, ma'am.
And is it also true that you did not have proper plates on the vehicle at that time due to a lack of insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. And finally, is it true that on May 25th of 2022 in the area of Louder and Midland, that you were operating a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right. Your fines are as follows. On your failure to display from ticket ending in 7710, that fine is $190. On your failure to display on the ticket ending in 6474, that fine is $190. On the third count on that same ticket, an improper plate, that fine is $100. And then you've got one more improper plate on the ticket ending in 4700. That fine is going to be $190. Please listen closely. I am giving you 90 days to do one of 2 things on these tickets. You may pay them in full within the next 90 days. Please do not try to make a payment today. Please give us a couple of days to get everything updated in the system. But you may pay them in full within days, or in the alternative, you may see the cashiers on the first floor for a longer term payment plan, but they will want a down payment from you. As long as you provide them with the down payment within the next 90 days and start on that payment plan, your deal will remain intact. I'm giving you 90 days to come up with the down payment because I don't know how much it will be. So you should go see them sooner rather than later if you know that's what you need to do. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Have a wonderful day, Ms. Phillips. Thank
You
you.
as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Mr. Soroki.
Yes, good morning, Judge. There's 2 cases that I cannot resolve without offers from Ms. Horn. So I'm just waiting around from her. But actually, everything else worked out very well. Just a lot of pleas and, had a lot of cases resolved today.
Well, we've got a few more that just came in, so I'll keep you
Okay.
busy. I've got Keith
So-
Tony. Good morning, Mr. Tony. I'm going to place you in a breakout room to meet with an attorney.
For Keith Tony, if his middle name.
All right,
Lamar,
good morning.
Oh, is your middle name Lamar, Mr. Tony?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you're here a day early and we don't have your file yet. We'll see you tomorrow. Okay,
Oh,
what time
wow.
are you scheduled for though? Because it's
I thought it said, oh, it did say the 26th today,
yeah,
25th.
9:30 tomorrow.
Oh,
Okay,
I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm on it.
no
See, all right.
problem. All right.
Okay.
All right. Bye-bye. All right. Then I've got phone number ending in 4707. What is your name, please? Phone number ending in 47.
Samaria Pickens.
Oh, okay, Ms. Pickens. So have you spoken with the attorney yet?
No, not yet.
Okay, because they asked us for an SOS on your matter. Oh no, that's Anisha Pickens. Okay, Samaria Pickens, I see you here. Hold on one second.
She was in room 13.
She was in 13, and is she valid?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, I'm going to move you back to room 13. Her SOS is valid. Attorney Soroki, could you go to 13 with Ms. Pickens, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. Ms. Pickens, go ahead and go back to room 13. Attorney Soroki will meet you there. All right, we got Tanisha Ponder. Got Kenneth Tate. There's Miss Horn. Good morning.
Okay. All right. Will you just let me know? Hold on a minute. One moment. Judge, I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm really getting hot. Okay, Ms. Raquel Triplett wants a pretrial, which I thought they had the dates. Is Raquel Triplett, is this a first or second pretrial for her?
Thank you, Judge. Had to catch somebody before.
That's okay. Soroki was just looking for you.
Okay, good. Is he here? Did he stay? Because he texted me. There he is. I'll just go in.
Talking to me. I'm sorry. What'd you say, Attorney Horn?
Nope, I'll go in. He texted me. I was just making sure he was still here. Did Mr. Ragnon come back?
Ragnan, nope. But also his client has not, Penn has not shown up. So.
Okay.
Yeah, his other client has not shown.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Ms. Triplett, I understand you'd like another pretrial date. Is that correct?
Yes, because I have recently got some more tickets and I just wanted to handle everything at once.
Okay, good idea. Okay, so let's get you, how about April 28th?
Yes.
8:35 a.m., April 28th?
Yes.
Okay, we'll see you back then, okay?
Okay.
Have a good day. Thanks for letting us know that you got the other tickets. I
Okay.
appreciate that.
Yes.
Have a good day.
You too.
Attorney Soroki?
Yes, on Samaria Pickens, I don't see her on the docket.
Well, she's got a hyphenated last name. Did you look for both of them? Why does it say Tompkins in room 13 though?
Tompkins is spelled two different ways on the docket.
So if you look at the title of the room.
Right. They have.
Oh, I see. It's under Tompkins. You see Tompkins.
Yeah, so if you look at the room title, that's where we'll put the SOS results and then any little notes. So that's what Madam Clerk put there on the name of the room, so you would know.
Yeah, here's a little note by Drywall DWL. I don't know what that means. But she's here for no insurance. Is she also here for driveway license suspended too?
Well, she may, because she's maybe in two different places on the docket due to the spelling of the last name.
Okay.
So I'll take a look with you. Parker, who is Parker? Please unmute.
Let's see here.
Yep,
Hello,
so I see.
yes.
Hi, give me just 1 second. She's got a no insurance. I'm trying to understand if maybe she's saying there also is a driving while license suspended. So I guess she wants to know if she has proof of insurance. That's how that one is left.
Yeah.
And then down lower, she's got license expired. They're offering her a failure to display, but if her license is valid, obviously let me know that. She's got a no insurance, improper license, and expired plates. They're asking her to admit to the civil infraction of expired plates. They were offering a failure to display. Depending upon the validity of the license, she may be willing to take another look at that.
Yes, I just got a text. Ms. Horn is going to zoom in any second now.
She's here. She's actually here in room 2.
Okay, all right, I'll go see. Because I don't even, the tickets you're talking about, I don't see them on the docket. I'll look at a different place.
No, they're on the docket. They're there. So they're just in different, they're just in 2 different places.
Okay.
So, you know, yeah, you just got to look in both places. She's got both.
All right, thank you.
And then we did find out, I think that her license is valid.
Yeah.
So, yep, let Ms. Horn know if you're going to talk to that one.
Okay, great.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, sure. Okay, let's see. What's Kenneth Tate here for? Try to move some of these people. I don't know what's going on there. Kenneth Tate has registration, license, and plates. Can you please check the SOS on Mr. Tate?
Yeah,
I don't understand what's going on. Thank you. Thank you. You are. Thank you. Yeah, it's like my body gets in the habit of moving and then a stall's like, what's going on? All right, but Mr. Tate, if he's got his stuff in order and he's got a valid license, then he'll be ready to go. Okay, and then I'm sorry that Parker, let's get you unmuted, please. Parker.
Yes.
What's the first name, please? Is that your last name? Is Parker your last name?
Jeanette Parker, yes.
J, how do you spell J-E-N-E?
Jeanette.
Jeanne. Okay, sorry.
Jeanette.
Okay, very good. Thank you. All right, let's take a look at what you've got going.
I think she was scheduled for yesterday.
Uh-oh, Miss Parker. Let's see. I've got Whitney Parker for today. What time are you scheduled for, Miss Parker?
I believe 10:30.
You wouldn't be scheduled at 10:30 in this courtroom.
No, okay.
You see her from yesterday?
Yeah, she was scheduled for yesterday.
Was she? Do you know what the charges? Okay. All right, Ms. Parker, you were actually supposed to be here yesterday and we don't have your file anymore and you have a lot of charges. So I can't handle it today. I'm going to have to give you a date to come back.
Okay.
So let's, and please be careful about managing your court dates because I'll remove the warrant, but a warrant goes out when you don't appear. Okay.
Okay, I wasn't aware. I thought that it was today.
That's okay. All right. So how about, can you come back in a week on April 1st? So we have time to get your file back up here.
Okay, that's fine. April 1st.
Okay.
What time?
April 1st, 8:30 a.m. Not 10:30. Okay.
I'm putting it in my notes right now. April 1st,
Wonderful.
8:30.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great day. Bye-bye. Was that the SOS I heard printing out on tape?
Oh, this is the Ken. Kenneth Tate is suspended.
Krista Taylor.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get it, because she just showed up today, so just get a new date. And I'm gonna get her probably after we're done. Okay, thanks.
Yeah, can we get an SOS on Krista Taylor in room 26, please? Let me know what you find. All right, we've got, oh, we need to know about Jeremy Pippin. I don't know about that one yet. Soroki's back in his rooms. Murphy is speaking with Miss Horn.
Taylor is not bad.
Thank you. What's all this dinging? What's going on? I'm watching the rooms and no one's leaving or arriving, but I just have this constant noise. Oh, I'm so glad we don't have that noise from yesterday. Mhm. What are you doing? West Kingdom Times. Oh. Oh, James Peoples in 21. Let's see that going. James Peoples, no insurance license. Can we get an SOS on James Peoples, please, Madam Clerk? Thank you. Yep, he's in 21. Just let me know which again. Okay, I have a device that says James Atkins Jr. Good morning. Please unmute and state your name for the record.
James Atkins Jr.
Thank you. All right. I do not have the last name A's, last names that begin with A's on my docket. Are you supposed to be in court for a traffic matter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know who has the A's, Madam Clerk?
I don't remember.
What? I'm sorry.
I think it's 336.
336. Okay, thank you. All right. Thank you. Did you get a notice to come to court today?
Yes, I have a notice in the mail. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. 336 looks like.
218.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this is a pre-hearing. Okay.
All right.
I don't know the dial-in for 318, 218. Oh. I'm gonna give you.
Because I went down there, I don't know what it is.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Sometimes they use 220, sometimes they use 218.
Yeah, one of them is like a ghost room. It
Yeah.
doesn't really exist,
Yeah.
right? So that's the confusing part. Hold on just a second, sir. I'm gonna try to check something for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Website.
That's what I'm on the website now, just so I can try to tell him how to get there.
It's under traffic.
But I don't see I'm on the court's website. Where's the link to traffic?
Go to the right corner, I think it's that.
Here we are. Okay, so on the website, sir, when you go to 36th District Court, you want to choose Traffic Criminal Division,
Okay.
and then you want to click on what, hearing? 218. You should see a list of to join a Zoom, and you should see room 218 listed there somewhere.
Okay, so traffic division, I want to get on that and join Zoom.
Room 218. Yep, you want to Zoom to room 218.
Okay, all right, I'll do that right now.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
Ms. Horn?
Yes, Your Honor, since there was some confusion as to who was representing Ms. Thomas Pinkins, so I just wanted the court to be aware that the people are offering her as a final offer. Once I heard additional information from Ms. Murphy, the expired plates, if she would plead responsible to that, ticket ending in 1711, the people will move for dismissal on the balance because she's in compliance with license and insurance and other documents.
Thank you. I need you to take a look. I don't know if anyone has spoken to you about Jeremy Pippin, who's in room 22. I've got a plea to improper plates, but he also has some tickets in default that are points tickets, civil infractions. So if you could take a look at that and let me know if you need us to tell you which ones are in default.
If you could, Your Honor, I don't mind. How many are there?
I think there was just 2. Let me take a look. You have the Pippin file over there.
In default, he has 1 improper turn, 1 violation of basic speed law, and 1 no valid registration.
And Madam Clerk, if you don't mind, could you run his SOS and I'll just come down and take a look at everything.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. Ready on Shakinia Thomas when you're ready. Thank you. Good morning, Ms. Thomas.
Good morning.
Looks like you're going to be entering a guilty plea with a 6-month delayed sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
Calling ticket, thank you. Calling ticket number B140030 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Shakinia Thomas. Ms. Thomas, good morning again. Please state your name for the record.
Shakinia Thomas.
Thank you. Ms. Thomas, looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to the dog licensing offense with a 6-month delayed sentence. Everything else would be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yeah.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, I do.
Please raise your right hand and swear affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
My name is Shakaya Thomas, and I swear to tell the
I just
truth.
need you to swear to tell the truth, Ms. Thomas.
I swear to tell the truth.
Thank you. There we go. All right. Ms. Thomas, is it true that on July 18th or between July 18th of 2025 and July 19th of 2025, you harbored an unlicensed dog?
Yes.
All right. Thank you. This is a $190 fine. It's a 6-month delayed sentence. So as long as you pay this within the next 6 months and don't get any other animal tickets, this will be removed from your record in 6 months. If you do not get the ticket paid, or if you pick up another animal ticket, then you're going to have to come back and see me in 6 months so we can try to see if we can get you back on track. And that would be September 21st of 2026. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm going to tell you, like I tell everyone with these animal control cases, they are very vigilant. They will come back. So whatever you need to correct, because you're on a delayed sentence, make sure it is corrected. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Because you don't want to pick up another ticket and then void your delayed sentence. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Have a great day. Thank you.
You too.
Okay. Ms. Pickens, were you able to receive or discuss your last offer with your attorney, which was to 1 count of expired plates? Everything else would be dismissed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you wish to avail yourself of that offer. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Give me just one moment. Do we not have any sticky notes anywhere? This is a problem for me.
I got a few.
Thank you, because I am all out and I can't make my notations. Thank you. Thank you, guys. All right. And then we're ready on the Tompkins Pickens matter. When you can give me that file, please. Thank you. Do I have 2 files with the 2 different spellings?
I just put it with.
Put them all together. Okay, very good. Thank you. Hey, good morning.
The one with the H, it was a clerk's error that typed.
Gotcha. Okay, thank you. Mr. Tate, I'll be right with you. Ms. Pickens, if you can activate your, that would be great. If not, it's okay. Just make sure you're appropriate for court. Calling ticket number P1869211 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Samaria Tompkins Pickens. Ma'am, please state your name for the record.
Samaria Tompkins Pickens.
Thank you. So city attorney has had a chance to review your file with defense counsel. We have verified that you do now have a valid license. That's great. And so what they are offering you is simply to admit to the civil infraction of expired plates, which doesn't put any points or anything on your license, and they're going to dismiss everything else. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am. My camera will not come on for some reason.
That's okay. Go ahead, please, and raise your right hand and swear affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
I swear that everything I'm going to say today is the truth.
Thank you, ma'am. Is it true that on February 18th of 2026, in the area of eastbound Plymouth and Memorial, that the plates, the registration on your vehicle was expired?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Do you know what that fine is, Madam Clerk? Okay, $145, ma'am. And you have 60 days to get that paid. If you need to get on a payment plan with the cashiers because you need more time to pay, you can go see them about that, but you must at least give them the down payment that they require for that payment plan within the 60 days. As long as you pay it in full or get on the payment plan, start the payment plan within 60 days, this deal remains intact. You've got a number of items being dismissed today, so you want to make sure that it does, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right, I have Kenneth Tate again. Good morning again, sir. Calling ticket number P1369812 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Kenneth Tate Jr. Sir, please state your name for the record.
Kenneth Tate Jr.
Thank you. I understand you're going to be pleading guilty to 2 counts of improper plates, 1 count of failure to display a valid license, and 1 count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Everything else would be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand and swear affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
I swear everything I tell you today is the truth.
All right, thank you. You can put your hand down. All right. Sir, is it true that on July the 4th of 2022, in the area of West McNichols and 3rd Street, you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. Is it also true that you did not have proper plates on the vehicle at that time, sir, due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay. And then is it, let's see, also true that on June 12th of 2020, in the area of Langholm and East 7 Mile, that you had improper plates on your vehicle due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
And is it also true that you could not display a valid license to the officer at that time?
Yes.
Thank you. I've got 1 FTD. I don't need to do an FTD. Thank you. All right. And then we've got an allowing, which I'm going to go ahead and reduce that one to the allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Okay. On the one you just admitted to.
Okay.
All right. Your fines are as follows, sir. On ticket ending in 9812, your failure to display is 190.
Okay.
And the improper plate is 100.
Okay.
On the ticket ending in 0686, the allowing unlicensed driver to drive, count 2 is 190.
Okay.
I can improper plate on that one, 100, since it's on the same ticket. So on each ticket, you've got $290 total. So 290 plus 290. What I'm going to do is I'm giving you 60 days to do one of 2 things. Pay these off in full. Please give us a couple of days to get it updated in the system before you try to make a payment. Or if you can't pay it in full within 60 days, come see the cashiers on the 1st floor of our courthouse. Tell them you are in need of a longer term payment plan and give them the down payment to begin that payment plan. As long as you do one of those 2 things within the next 60 days, your deal will remain in place. Okay, Mr. Tate?
Okay.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Okay, you too.
Thank you. All right. Attorney Soroki, I see Mr. Pippin is out. Ms. Horn is in the courtroom working with Mr. Pippin's file because he has a number of tickets in default that do have points on them. He has a few points tickets.
And I'm ready, Your Honor.
Okay, we're ready on Pippin. And what's the offer there?
Your Honor, the offer is as the ticket ending in 5601, improper plates as charged. Ticket ending in 65491, which would be improper right turn. The people have no objection to setting aside that count 1 and amending to limited access 1 to 5. Count 3 of that ticket, Your Honor, violation of the basic speed law. The people are moving for dismissal. And no objection to set aside. Also ticket ending in 83201, no valid registration, no objection to setting that aside and dismissing.
Okay, Thank you.
So limited access, 1 to 5, Mr. Soroki, and improper plates and dismissal of, there are also on docket matters, no insurance misdemeanor, driving while license is not proper, no insurance misdemeanor, and unregistered untitled.
So we've got 1 improper plate and 1 to 5 over limited access.
Yes, Your
To
Honor.
resolve it, everything else being dismissed?
Yes,
Okay.
Your Honor.
Attorney
Right.
Soroki, you want to take Mr. Pippin back in someplace so you can discuss that with him?
Am I here?
Yeah, we can hear you, Mr. Pippin. Can you
Okay,
hear me?
it's like the sound
Okay.
dropped all the way
Not
low,
in
so I
you,
can't.
as we discussed, you had some tickets that would have carried points on your license. The city attorney is making an offer to get those resolved with 0 points and a fine of $125. But I wanted you to be able to discuss that with Attorney Soroki. So I'm going to need to put you in a breakout room so you can meet with him. Soroki, I'll just move him to room 4 or 5. Do you care?
No, it doesn't matter. Your Honor, what? I didn't hear what you were saying to him, but
You dropped down many volume levels.
I'm
Okay.
sorry. I didn't hear what you said, Judge, of why to review what
I'm
I
sorry.
should review for him.
He's been made a new offer because he had tickets that would carry points. And the new
Okay.
offer is to reduce the right turn ticket to a 1 to 5 over limited access so that he gets 0 points there, as well as dismiss the violation of basic speed law ticket on that same ticket. And then there's another registration ticket that's being dismissed. So you must have discussed the offer to improper plates with him. That remains the improper plate. But the
Ms. Robinson.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Those.
And then we have the 1 to 5 over limited access is new. It's a new addition to his offer. So I was allowing you to go into breakout to speak with him about that.
And for that, he's dismissing 2 other tickets.
Yeah, they would be dismissing those points tickets, the right turn and the violation of basic speed law.
Okay, that's fine. I'll talk to him. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Pippin, I'm gonna just move him to room 5. Okay, Mr. Pippin, join room 5, please.
Okay.
Thank you. And his license is valid too. Okay. All right, now I've got Mr. Tolbert. That's okay. Nope. Oh, you did. I've got it right in front of me. So sorry. All right, Mario Tolbert. I have ticket number P1862156, City versus Mario Tolbert. I've got 1 count of no insurance, 1 count of driving an unregistered or untitled vehicle. Mr. Tolbert, please state your name for the record. You'll need to unmute, please. You got to unmute, Mr. Tolbert. I'm sending you a prompt. You're still muted.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Mario Devon Tolbert.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Tolbert, it appears that you're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of a reduced charge of improper plate. Everything else would be dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, they did not.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, they did not.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, I am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, he did.
Do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Absolutely, I understand.
And you do not have proof of valid insurance today, is that correct?
I do have proof of valid insurance today. Yes, I do.
All right, thank you. And do you have proof of your current registration?
I do not.
Okay, thank you. All right, so that's where your improper plate is coming from. All right, raise your right hand and swear affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
My name is Mario Devon Tolbert, and everything I'm gonna tell you is the truth.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Tolbert, is it true that on February 6th of 2026 in the area of westbound East Warren and Alter that you were operating a vehicle without current registration?
Yes, I was.
Okay, Mr. Tolbert, before I accept your plea, were you planning to renew your registration?
Yes, I am. Like I told the lawyer, I was going today once I gotten off work today. You know, as soon as I get off work, I'm heading straight to the kiosk so I can obtain that.
Personally, I would prefer you spend the money renewing your registration so that you're operating legally than to have you pay money for a police. So I'm prepared to just give you a date to come back. If you have proof of valid insurance and you're going to have proof of valid registration when you come back, then the attorney will move for dismissal of your charges altogether. Would you like me to set a date for you to come back?
Yes, I would. Please. I appreciate it.
Okay. You are welcome. You say you're going to go today to get it done?
As soon as I get off work.
And you have your valid insurance right now, so I don't want to set this out too far. So do you want to come back? What's today, Wednesday?
Mm-hmm.
Could he come back Friday, or you want to do next week, Madam Clerk?
Friday is fine.
Okay, can you zoom back in Friday with your proof of insurance and proof of registration?
I sure can.
To dismiss this, because you only have these two charges, so I don't want to stick you with this if you don't have to.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Okay, all right. We'll see you back Friday morning at 8:30, okay?
Okay, thanks again. I appreciate it.
Sure thing. All right, bye.
Roger.
327. Okay, there we go on that one. Got Ms. Horn back with us.
Yep, yes, Your Honor. And I haven't spoken to Mr. Ragnon, but I think, oh yeah, you said Penn didn't show up, so. Yep, okay.
It looks like I've just got Murphy is with Krista Taylor. I don't know if she spoke with you about that one.
Let's see. Taylor.
Looks like Soroki is still with Pippin. Then I've got a Tanisha Ponder in room 15. Did anyone discuss her matter with you?
No, Your Honor. Krista Taylor does have a docket a matter on the offer on the docket that'll remain firm, even she has documents because she has several cases.
Okay.
So one failure to display improper plate and 6 to 10 speed on that 26 to 30.
Okay, and then on Tanisha Ponder, they'll be looking for PONCR. If you haven't made one already, I don't know.
Okay, I'll check, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, back to Mr. Pippin again. Ticket number P1756560, City versus and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Jeremy Pippin. Attorney Soroki, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Jeremy Matthew Pippin.
Thank you. And Mr. Pippin, it appears that, as we've discussed, the city is asking you to plead to 1 count of improper plates and then going to take your other matters out of default. I'm assuming you're making a motion, Attorney Soroki, to pull those defaulted matters out of default.
Yes, Your Honor. We'll make a
All right,
motion.
thank you. So court will grant that motion, and then they're going to dismiss the registration ticket. They're going to dismiss the violation of basic speed law ticket, and they are going to offer you on the improper right turn 1 to 5 over limited access, which is a 0-point ticket. All of that consistent with your understanding, Mr. Pippin?
Yes, ma'am.
And did anyone promise you anything else that I don't know about to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Everything I swear I tell you is the truth today.
Thank you. Sir, is it true that on July 17th of 2025 in the area of Plymouth and the Southfield Service Drive, you operated a vehicle without proper plates?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. All right, and then as to the other tickets where you had the defaults, we're going to, this is going to be count 1 on the ticket ending in 6549. In terms of the improper right turn, instead you will be admitting to going at least 1 to 5 miles per hour over the speed limit in what we call limited access, which makes it 0 points. Are you making that admission at this time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. All right. Let me give you your fines. On the 1 to 5 over limited access, that fine is $125. And then on your improper plates, that fine is $190. You have 60 days to either pay these tickets off in full. Please don't try to make a payment before Friday, but then you'll have 60 days to pay it off in full or to get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor if you can't pay it all off within the 60 days. As long as you give them a down payment to start the payment plan within the next 60 days, your deal will remain in place. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much. You too.
You are welcome. All right. Bye-bye.
Right.
Okay. Okay, so Roki, let's see what we got going on here. Okay, would you mind going to room 15, just see if Tanisha Ponder wants to take the offer to failure to display a valid license, and then we'll be done.
Okay, very good.
Thank you so much.
Hi.
Hey, Attorney Murphy. Okay, I noticed that you were waiting in the room with Ms. Taylor. City Attorney did state that her offer on Taylor is firm regardless of documentation.
Yeah,
The
we're
offer
just
was
it's not a documentation issue. She just has a lot of questions about how to
okay.
pay and, not how to pay, but I'm asked, she was very, when I told her what I thought the amounts would be, she
Mhm.
freaked out. And I started saying, like, you can start making incremental payments to get the outstanding balance down and then put 25% down. And then I'm like, are you experiencing financial difficulty or housing instability? She said yes. And then I said, okay, well, then I can refer you to street court. And she's like, well, what's that? I just want to get my, you know what I mean? It's just, I'm
So we can do a few different things, Attorney Murphy. Number one, the fines would be 190, probably 190, 100, and 135. So those are the
okay.
fines.
All right.
190, 100, 135.
Thank you.
Now, she can ask for community service,
Oh, okay.
or it sounds like she'd be a great candidate for street court, and I would
Right.
hate for her to be out on that if she needs it. So let
Right.
her know that with street court, she's going to do things all to benefit herself, to get education, job, housing, whatever she needs. And once she completes that, they will all be dismissed due to her completion of street court.
Right. And these tickets, let me ask you a question. I don't know the answer to this question. If she goes into street court on these tickets, they're not adjudicated yet, right? These tickets can't be holding her up, right?
Right. There's nothing we'll make sure there's no warrants or anything like that.
Okay.
There should, and we will make sure before she leaves that she doesn't have anything like that. If she goes into street court, no, they will not be finally adjudicated until she completes street court.
Okay.
And then they'll be dismissed.
And then I had a question for Miss Ponder. She paid all of her outstanding tickets. The only one on the docket today is this one. It's a DWLS. I personally don't think that an outstanding unadjudicated DWLS can prevent you from getting your license. Am I correct on that or no? Do you know?
I don't know the answer to that. What I might do though is I asked Mr. Soroki to go in with her just because
Right.
you were working with Mr.
Right.
Taylor. So, what he said was that what she offered was failure to display.
Right.
I don't know. I understand your argument that if she's already paid all these other tickets, is that fair? It looks like she's coming in. Okay. We'll take care of Miss Ponder.
Okay, thank you.
Looks like Attorney Soroki worked with her. If you'll
Okay.
go ahead and deal with Miss Taylor. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi.
All right, Attorney Soroki.
Yes, we're ready.
Okay, thank you. Good morning again, Miss Ponder.
Good morning.
All right, I've got ticket number SP 180-22941 and any other related matters on today's docket to City versus Tanisha Ponder. Ms. Horn, good morning.
Good morning.
I'm just calling the Ponder matter. And Mr. Soroki, your appearance for the record, please.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Thank you. And Ms. Ponder, state your name, please, for the record.
Mr. Ponder.
Thank you. And Ms. Horn, your appearance, please.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303, Your Honor.
Thank you. Now, what I was just informed, she's got a driving while license suspended where you offered a failure to display. I was just given some information by Attorney Murphy, who I guess spoke with Ms. Ponder earlier, that she had paid a number of tickets that were in default. I know you like to have that information when you're reviewing, and I just found it out. So I thought I would let you know. Ms. Ponder, is it my understanding that you just made a payment to the city for some tickets?
Yes, ma'am. It was on
How much?
March 12th.
March 12th?
Yes, $2,330.
Okay. In lieu of those fines and costs, Your Honor, we will move for dismissal.
All right. Thank you.
Good job getting those paid. That's not easy.
Yeah, not easy at all. Attorney Soroki, I'm assuming you got no objection there.
No objection, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. All right.
All right, so that takes care of that. And then Attorney Murphy is in her last room.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, Madam Clerk.
Thank you.
All right, Ms. Ponder, so you're all done with me today. Good job getting all those tickets paid off.
Thank you.
All right,
And
this
then
one
I
today is
don't have to come back. I just have to go to secretary and take care of that, right?
Yep, give
All
us
right.
a couple days, get it updated in the system. It'll show that this ticket's been dismissed, okay?
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Good luck,
Thank you,
ma'am.
Attorney.
Thank you, Judge, and good afternoon, good morning to everyone. So usually not finished in the morning. We get about 12 o'clock or noon.
We're moving pretty good here today. So let's see. Uh-oh, did I just remove it? I don't know what happened. I didn't do that. Who did that? Not me. All right.
I just put 2 docket sheets for Monday. I get the rest next week. I'm off to ask you for doctor's appointment Friday.
Good morning, Miss Taylor. Again, good morning. May I have the Krista Taylor file, please, Madam Clerk? Thank you. Ms. Murphy, thank you for that information as to Ms. Ponder. Her ticket was dismissed by the city based upon the
Awesome.
Okay.
Great.
All right.
And then Miss Taylor is interested in street court, Judge.
Awesome, Ms. Taylor. It's a great program, Ms. Taylor. You just get to do stuff that all is just meant to benefit you. And then when you finish it, all your tickets get dismissed. So I'm really glad that you're going to do that. I need to give you the contact information for street court, okay?
Okay. Let me,
All right.
Sorry, Judge.
So
I
that-
thought that we were just going to be taking info from her. I got her phone number. I didn't realize that you were going to be
perfect.
asking her to contact them.
Yeah, it's good to contact them too.
Okay.
And it's good to contact them a few times. It's a great program, but they are very busy. So
Yeah, Jayesh is a friend of mine. I know a lot about street court. I think it's great too.
he is great. They are great. All of that.
Yeah.
Wow, this just right on file.
Okay.
I am waiting. I'm ready.
Okay, the number is 313 355
Yes.
4460.
And this is street court?
Yep, it's called, the name of the program is, I think it's called Street Advocacy Court, but we call it,
Street outreach.
yeah, Street Outreach Court. We call it Street Court. But that's who you,
Okay. Do I have a
Okay.
number? Is there a case number or something I have to have?
no, they'll just give them a call. They can pull everything up.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Have a great day, Miss Taylor.
Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.
See you soon.
See you soon.
All right. Bye-bye. Yeah, Attorney Murphy and Ms. Horn, they hired a new attorney just to help people with out-county matters.
Oh, good.
Yes. So
Look
now
all that stuff up.
we can deal with City of Detroit, and then they have an attorney helping them navigate their out-county. So
Good.
yeah, that was exciting. It's exciting development in street court.
New job, new help.
Mhm. Okay. I will see you at 1:30.
Yes, I will see you,
All right.
Judge. I did speak with Cameron. She's coming along.
All right. Very good. Thank you.
And then Judge, I'll see you
Attorney-
tomorrow. And
See
thank
you
you, Ms.
tomorrow.
Horn.
Have a great day.
Okay,
You
you
too.
too, and I'll get those offers over to you today, okay?
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, Madam Clerk. Bye, everyone.
Okay,
Thank you. Thanks for all your work today. Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, guys, gonna shut us down.